Hello! In this video, we're gonna try the next step in replicating this theme. I mean, not like in full detail, but at least in the spirit. Um, Today, we are gonna look at the top section here at the nav bar. This is not sticky. In this case, I would like it for it to be sticky. That means that it stays on top of the page, right? Just like the Envado thing here. I would also like the navigation to stick to the top so that people can navigate everywhere they want, even if they scroll down on the page. Yeah, I'm just, I don't know if you're going to do this with the drop downs, right? So I'm satisfied if we find out um, how to style the nav bar, right? In our page, we don't have one. There is none. I'm not really sure why that is. Let me just close a few tabs here. And here, this I don't need as well. And yeah, here, there it is. Right? There's the sample page. But if you go to, we can just click, we can click here, and then we don't see the top bar. I guess this is because I put Elementor canvas here. No header, no footer, just Elementor. What's about Elementor full width? Interesting. It says this template includes the header, full width, content, and footer. Let's look at this. So is this the header? If I go back to, well, it just looks different here. And there's no nav bar, which is kind of confusing. Right? It's kind of confusing. Let's just publish this. Okay, then it is like this. That's interesting, right? Okay, let's just say I want to change what the header looks like. Do I have to go out? Do I have to go to WordPress? Maybe. Let's just see in Elementor. Site settings, global colors, fonts, icons, logo. Logo is interesting. To proceed, please name your first page or rename it later. Name your page, huh? I mean, I'll just call it home. Learning Elementor home. There's a lot of stuff down here. That's a sample page, and I go here. All right. Well, if I do now what I did before and change the post settings. Oh, good. I'm not unleashing any kind of power. Learning Elementor, site description, site logo. It's the site settings. Oh wow, interesting. Site identity, background. Well, again, I'm stumped. It says, Let's publish. Let's take a look. Now this is the home page, right? With home and the sample page. Okay. So now our other home. This landing page is a blog post. That's so weird. Okay, on the home page. Let's say we just take the home page. Already click this. Good. The home page, right? And now I do all the stuff again that I did before. We do page layout, Elementor full width, I guess. Then it's this again. Then it's then we don't have the But then we don't have again the top bar. So that's pretty interesting. So I don't really have an option then to use something else than the theme. No, I don't want the histories. Thank you. Page no title. What's page no title? Doesn't really look like no title to me. I don't know what it means with no title. Seriously. And it's opening all the pages all the time. Okay. I remember. Let's just try something else. I remember in the plugins, there was Elementor header footer stuff. Let's just look up Elementor. Ultimate add-ons, essential add-ons. Create dynamic headers and footers, and design blocks effortlessly. The essential plugin after you install Elementor, packed with 100 plus stunning elements like data table, event calendar. Not sure, dude. Are we recording? Yes. Well, dynamic headers and footers. I'll just install this and maybe we'll just take a look. This can't be that difficult, right? Can't be that difficult to figure out. Oh, I need to activate it, right? Activate. UAE header and footer builder. That's sick. Add new. Sure. That's that. Header and footer builder. So this, okay, header and footer builder. Title? I don't know. Always asking me for titles. I will call it header. Type of template, header. Display on entire website. User roles is fine. Enable layered for, yeah, definitely. That sounds great. No idea. A featured image now. Let's publish this, whatever that means. It's screaming at me. Okay, that's fine. Now we're here, and now I can here do the Elementor canvas because that's what I want. Let's just publish. Who cares? And then we do the preview, and we see absolutely nothing. That's fine. I want to go to my landing page, my nice page. There's this. Don't know what this is. I mean, this looks like a footer, but yeah, I don't know. Do I have to enable layer? Do I have to somehow set this somewhere? Maybe a header. It's not the header. Okay, let's go back here. Oh, okay. Let's go here. We press landing page, and now in the settings, we do Elementor canvas, but there is no header. All right, no header to be seen. Oh, edit with Elementor weight. Header. Oh, because nothing is in there, maybe? Oh, that's maybe it. Yeah. Okay, we'll put in what do we do? A grid? Do we via grid? Okay. We just do one row, many columns. This I think that's insane. Well, I don't want to do this. Menu. What about a menu? Menu anchor, navigation menu, navigation menu. Last menu item. There are no menus in your site. Go to the menu screen to create one. Enable schema support. Don't know what it is. Okay, you know what? Go to the menu screen. Your theme does not support navigation menus or widgets. Let's look it up. I'm trying, I'm unable. And then you need to add a theme support for menus at the below line functions PHP. Update your themes and plugins. You're solved by following navigation menu. That's all okay. I'm not gonna change the code though. Let's look up the next thread. On the WordPress appearance themes and the hello theme. All right. Sure. Like appearance and themes, active 2025. How about hello Elementor? Install this. Installed. Okay. Activate. Okay, that's fine. And then we go to the pages again. We go to then we go to the post. I really don't understand why this is a post and not a page. I'm pretty sure I created a page. Okay, edit with Elementor. And okay, it looks the same. That's great. Then, what was the thing with the header? What was the thing with the header again? How do I get there? Landing page is this. Let's go back once more. We go to the pages. We go to UAE, header and footer builder. That's perfect. Edit with Elementor. We type in menu. Oh, here. Go to the menu screen to create one. That's nice. Menu, main menu. Main. Auto add pages, sure. Display location, header, and footer, let's say, right? What's this? Add menu items. Is it because it did auto? No. Create menu. Pages, view all, home and sample page, sure. Posts, don't need a post, custom links, categories. Custom links. Save menu. The menu has been updated. Then we go to the posts, we go to the landing page, we go to edit with Elementor. Is this really it seems like it could be quite a roundabout way to do this stuff, but that's fine. That's the landing page now. I wanted to edit the header, right? Then we go to UAE again, the header and footer builder. Go to edit with Elementor on the header. Then we now put in the menu, navigation menu. Oh, this is the menu, right. Oh, both gone. Fine, that's fine. Navigation menu, drop it here. Then, last menu item button. I don't know what that means. Enable schema support. I don't know what that means. We will preview the changes. Well, that doesn't look like much, does it? Layout. Oh, wow. Okay. Enable schema support. What does it mean? What does it mean? And layout. Horizontal. alignment, left, submenu icon, arrows. That's a breakpoint, menu icon. Ah, okay. That's pretty cool. That you can just change the icon. Full width, absolutely. I mean, don't know if it makes much of a difference. Now this is published, and here's the header. Here, let's say, here we go to landing page. Absolutely, leave the site. Okay, we now have, that's probably like the header, but there's nothing in it. There's nothing in it. Last menu. There are no menus. That's not right. This has to be old information. Main, yeah, main is fine. Go to the menu screen to manage your main menus. Okay, let's go to the menu screen again. Select all, add to menu. Right. If we reload now, nothing is in there. Because that's just the header, or maybe not because that's just the header, I don't know. If we reload this, nothing is in the menu, in the header. Save menu. Manage locations. Yeah, that's fine. Your theme supports 2 menus. All right, but here there's nothing. Oh, there is something. Okay, that's very cool. That means it's also in here. Right. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. I want this stuff in the layout. It should be aligned to the right. And on the left side, I would appreciate it very much if there was a logo. Maybe that's not part of the menu, right? Maybe we're supposed to do something like a grid here, like this, and then we put in a menu, a navigation menu over here. Oh, okay, then let's do an image here. Let's say this is our logo, and it's small thumbnail, 150 by 150, and we swap them around. Right. There's no image here. We will get one in the size of this, right? What's the size of this logo? It's 134 by 60, let's say. Pixel.photos 134 by 59. Okay, let's stay true. Let's stay true. Can I reload this? Oh, that's not working, right? Okay, then this it is. Then this it is. Downloaded. So we will add it again to WordPress now. Choose an image, upload files, select files, small one, select this. Okay, that's great. Alignment to the left, that's perfect. And here in the menu, in the layout, we align this to the right. Okay, and then here, I would love for this to have a link, and the link should be to localhost 1008, right? Should just go back to 10,008. It should just go back to the landing page. Good. Let's publish this. Let's preview the changes. We can remove this one. Let's publish again. Let's preview. I don't know. I'm probably doing this wrong. That's pretty interesting, right? Why is there space on this side? We will find it out soon enough. So if I click here, I can click here. I can click on the sample page, and there's all the stuff in here. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's say I want the header, not I want this one, right? This is probably it. I would love for this to be, let's say, black. It should have not a gradient. I don't know what classic means. Just should be color. Let's put as a secondary. Yeah. That's nice. I like that actually. And this should have as a style the text color, not primary. It should just be white. Manage the global colors. Yeah, absolutely. As a primary color, we will take white for now. White should be fine for now. All right. Can we now set the font is fine? I don't care about the font. Okay, that's cool. Then we need this, right? We need this to be centered vertically as well. Maybe in layout. Alignment left, right. Breakpoint tablet. This is it here? Is it in here? Is it the same thing as with the oh no. Okay, wait. Don't do this. Yeah. That's better. That's better. Okay, but we're still not on the full width. Like the header is the full width, but this is not. What's going on here? Why is this not at the leftmost Elementor widget container? So we need to give this more width. Like the whole thing, the whole grid probably needs more width. So how about this? Width. I'm totally fine with it being 100 view width right now. That's not probably not good practice to do it like this, but for right now, I'm totally fine. All right, that's great, right? Here you have to imagine this is like our logo or whatever. This is just a placeholder. And then we have here the links. Just for the sake of it, let's look. Yeah, that sucks, of course. Okay, that's really bad. That's because on the breakpoint, we switch to one column. Why does it do that? I don't want it to do that. Auto flow row, auto flow column. I don't know what that means. Additional options. Okay. I mean, that's a problem for another day. How to style it for mobile. You should style it for mobile. Definitely, maybe it's more important than desktop because, like, for any given site, you have at least 60% of your users on mobile and tablet. I mean, obviously there might be exceptions, but most people do web or surf the web on their phones nowadays. All right, the last thing, and then I'm satisfied, is the stickiness of it all. We can now not test this because there's not enough content. So we will need to do more content in, let's say, the sample page. Okay, we can just do this then. That's fine. Yeah, let's not do another block, another block, another block. Okay, that's good enough. I'm pretty sure. We go to the, let's do it here. We go to the sample page. Okay, right. I want the menu, I want the header to stick. And it should not scroll away because then you're here. Okay, you can now navigate in the footer. That's cool and all. That's very nice actually that it just does this. But let's say you're in the middle of the page and you want to go somewhere else. It's really bad if the users have to scroll up by hand, right? If they have to do it themselves. So the easiest way for this is to just have it stick, right? It's very cool if it's, if you scroll down and it goes away, but when you scroll up just a little bit, it slides in again. This is very typically very common on sites these days. But I don't know. Maybe this is easy to do here. I have no idea. Um, Okay, I don't think that this is the header. Motion effects sounds nice. No idea. This is everything in Elementor Pro, I guess. I don't know why it was locked. Let's try to find maybe in here header and footer builder. To do the edit. A featured image, I'm not sure. UAE sticky header. Creating a sticky header. Designing a section. Make this header sticky in section 2. Making custom header sticky. Step 1. Add a custom ID to the outermost section. Oh, with no way. This is how you do it. This if further, nice. I like this. If you want to make your header sticky as soon as the user scrolls the page, well, that's way too much. I absolutely am going to do this. Edit the header. So in the additional options, HTML tag, in the advanced settings, CSS class, CSS ID. Let's, did they do a class or did they do an ID? Did they do an ID? They did an ID. Okay. I will just call it header. I will just call it header and then custom CSS. Oh, no way. No way. That's just sad, man. Can add it to the customizer under the additional CSS section. So you don't have to do it here, right? You don't have to do it here. So I just called it header without the pound. And then we probably can. I know that there's some place where you can do CSS in WordPress. I've seen this before. Additional CSS. There it is. And we just put header here, right? And we publish the whole thing. And then we're here. And then we can reload this, go to the sample page, and it does not work. Well, that's just sad. Header Elementor section. I don't even think that we need this. We can just do it like this, right? Not sure if this is like bad practice or anything. That this still not work. Publish again. Why not? And we go to the sample page. Aha. It just has a margin now. Why does it have a margin on the top? With 100%. Let's just do right 0, left 0. I don't know. Right 0, left 0, and of course, top 0. All right? Left 0, right 0 is for the full width. Top 0 is no way, dude. No way. Well, I'm pretty sure that is this. I'm pretty sure we can remove this with, is this, yeah, the WP Edinburgh. Yeah, that's right. Now we go to the sample page. Now it's there again. Okay, we remove it again just to be able to look at it. Admin bar, and now it works, right? This is all I wanted. That's an issue for another time, where now, of course, because it's fixed at the top, the content of the page is below it. You probably have to add, like, I don't know how to do this. Do they talk about this? Header stick as soon as the user scrolls. Then at the following CSS. Let me just see. And obviously, yeah, that's the problem with the sticky headers. Then you have to, for every page, let's just look at it now, right? For every page, you can add just a margin or padding at the top or whatever. Let's look at this for a second. We're already here. Let's see. This is a pound page, right? So we can go here again, and let's say for every page, we will add some height, exactly the height of the header, which is 85 pixels. We'll just add this here. So we'll just add a margin, top of 85 pixels. Okay. Oh, that's super interesting. It pushes, does it really push down the header with it? Why though? Because it's inside? I don't get this. So if you do this, it doesn't work at all, right? So you always have to go in it again like this. I don't know, man. Oh no, it worked. You see? Do you see how it worked? We remove this again, and now there's enough space. So you can display the whole page, everything is there, and the header is sticking out, so you can always change wherever you want to go. This is so weird. I mean, the top bar thing, maybe we will remove this next time. But yeah, this is basically it. So then to get this, it's just a question of styling it. This, of course, is something else, yeah, obviously. But I'm totally happy with what we achieved today with, well, this. And yeah, see you guys next time.